Hello everyone, welcome to Winone Elevator Corporation Limited. Today I will take you to visit our factory together. Our factory is founded in 2002. We are focused on the manufacturing and design and researching and developing the product and service of product. So today I will take you to check how is our factory, especially is our showing room. Now, if you want to know more, please follow my voice. Go to my company together. Okay, please check here. This stand table is modern. Where is our standing now? Here has an office building. Yes, you guessed, it's right. We are standing inside. And over here has two buildings. That is our factory workshop. The elevator you bought before, it is produced over here. And please check here, our company is full of the culture and every day we have a daily life very wonderful inside. Because we have the basketball place. Sometimes we always have the basketball place game over here, and staff dining hall, staff gym, and dormitory. Over here, totally the cover area is 66,000 meters squares. And here is our elevator test tower, very high building. Totally is 125 meters. This tower is only for the test elevator. Every year, we will put a lot of new technology inside. After we get the official certificate, then we will make the new function, being with the elevator together and pushing to the market. This is only one of our product basement. So, if you want to know more, please follow me to go into our showing room together. Let's go! Here is our showing room. You can see over here is full of the modern style and looks very beautiful. In my left side, here is our another produce basement. Here is from we are standing, driving like 40 minutes will arrive, but totally taking the area is bigger than here 3 times. As we want the developing, we have a lot of history and we have a lot of story. Like this wall, please check it. In 2002, our company was founded. In 2003, completed past ISO 9001 quality system certificate. 2004, from this year, our lighting SPM and energy saving technology was adopted. 2005, we get the Class A certification of manufacturing, installation, repair, and maintenance from QSIB. Also, our overseas market department was established and started to do the explore for the global markets. 2011, Winone Elevator and Escalator gets the CE certificate. In 2014, we get the Guangdong Metro project bid for $40 million. 2018, we already can get the 18-ton peak capacity frigid elevator. We believe the good national brands will go to the all over the world. Here is our company history, but I want to tell you more, that is, what kind of products we have. In our company, we almost have all the marketing needing elevator and escalator. Elevator, we have the passenger elevator, and the frigid elevator, and panoramic elevator, hospital type, villa type, and business elevator. Also, we have the escalator and moving walk. So please follow me. I will step by step to introduce you one by one. Let's go!